This is B. Ramarao from SRRS Government Polytechnic College, Sirsilla. General Engineering Chemistry for first year diploma students. In this hour, we discuss chapter Environmental Studies. Today's our topic air pollution, effects and control methods. Air pollution, effects and control method we discuss now. Air pollution, effects and control methods of air pollution. Air pollution. Already last class we discussed air pollution, types of air pollutants, causes of air pollution. Air pollution, the presence of unwanted substance present in air and adversely affect human beings, plants, animals and other material is called air pollution. Air pollution, unwanted substance present in air and directly or indirectly affect living and non-living things is called air pollution. Types of air pollutants. Air pollutants are primary and secondary pollutants, bio and non-biodegradable pollutants, physical state pollutants. These pollutants mixed into air causes of air pollution. Primary pollutants and secondary pollutants. Pollutants releases into air from identifiable sources and exists as long time is called primary pollutants like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These all are primary pollutants. Secondary pollutant. Pollutants formed by the reaction between primary pollutants in presence of sunlight is called secondary pollutants. These secondary pollutants PAN, peroxyethyl nitrate, acid rain, photochemical smog. Bio and non-biodegradable pollutants. The pollutants which are decomposed by the action of microorganisms are called biodegradable pollutants. Like example, compost, agriculture and domestic waste, sewage. Non-biodegradable pollutants, pollutants which are not decomposed by the action of microorganisms are called non-biodegradable pollutants. Those are like rubber, plastic, glass, metal like lead, mercury. Solid, liquid, gaseous pollutants based on physical state pollutants divide into solid, liquid and gaseous pollutants. Solid pollutants, dust, smoke, particles. Liquid pollutants, fog, acids, industrial waste, oils, etc. Gaseous pollutants, carbon dioxide, sulfur dioxide, nitrogen dioxide. These are pollutants mixed into air, causes of air pollution. Today we discuss about air pollution effects and control method. Air pollution caused by natural causes and man-made causes. Natural causes, forest fires releases some gases, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, so on. Volcanoes releases hydrogen sulfide, sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide. Bacteria and virus also causes air pollution. Man-made pollutions, population growth, burning of fossil fuels, transportation services, industrialization, deforestation, agriculture practices causes of air pollution. On the completion of this period, you would be able to know in this hour what are the effects of air pollution, what are the control methods of air pollution, explain about effects and control methods of air pollution. What are the effects of air pollution? What are the control methods of air pollution? Explain about effects and control methods of air pollution. Air pollution is introduction of chemicals, particulate matters or biological materials that causes harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere. This causes air pollution. Air pollution is the introduction of chemicals, particulate matters, or biological materials that causes harm or discomfort to humans or other living organisms or causes damage to the natural environment or built environment into the atmosphere is called air pollution. Air pollution. Air pollution may be defined as presence one or more contaminant or combinations. Therefore, air in such quantities and of such duration as may be attempts to injurious to humans, animals, or plants' life or property, or which unreasonably interference with the comfortable enjoyment of life or property or conduct of business is called air pollution. It is an undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characters of air. Air pollution is causes due to an increases in the content of harmful substances in air such as oxides of nitrogen, sulfates, etc. It is an undesirable change in physical, chemical, or biological characteristics of air. Air pollution is causes due to an increases in the content of harmful substances in air such as oxides of nitrogen, sulfur, etc. Air pollution is said to exist if the leaves of gases, solids, or liquids present in the atmosphere are high enough to harm humans, other organisms, or materials. The air may become polluted by natural causes such as volcanoes, such as volcanoes, which releases as dust, sulfur, and other gases, or by forest fires that are occasionally naturally caused by lighting. Today, human activities are responsible for most of the air pollution. Most of air pollution. Air pollution is said to exist if the leaves of gases, solids, or liquids presence in atmosphere are high enough to harm humans, other organisms, or materials. The air may become polluted by natural causes such as volcanoes, which releases as dust, sulfur, and other gases, or by forest fires that are occasionally naturally caused by lighting. Today, human activities are responsible for most of the air pollution. Most of air pollution. Air pollutants as an air pollution is a substance in the air that adversely affected human beings and ecosystem. Pollutants can characterized into two types: primary and secondary pollutants. Primary and secondary pollutants. Pesticides, pesticides, mosquito repellents, cleaning agents, etc. used in households can cause toxic conditions. Building materials like asbestos, glass fibers, plants, glue, varnishes are all are health hazards. They can causes irritation of eye and skin, respiratory elements of and causes cancer. Polluted air is affecting the health of the people, particularly children. In Delhi alone, 1 out of every 10 school children suffer from asthma. Asthma causes by air pollution. Effect: sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide causes respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, and lung cancer caused by sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. Effect of human beings. First effect: sulfur dioxide. Sulfur trioxide causes respiratory diseases like bronchitis, asthma, and lung cancer. These affected by oxides of sulfur. Oxides of sulfur causes by asthma. Air pollutants irritates the eyes and causes inflammation of the respiratory tract. If the person already suffering some respiratory illness, air polluted may lead to the condition becoming chronic at later stage. It can also lead to allergy. Skin allergy. Air pollutants irritate the eyes and causes irritation of the respiratory tract. If the person already suffering from respiratory illness, air pollution may lead to conditions become chronic at later stage. It can also lead to skin allergy. Nitrogen oxide causes respiratory diseases like pulmonary edema and skin diseases. Nitrogen oxides causes skin diseases and also lungs affected by using oxides of nitrogen. Nitrogen oxide causes respiratory diseases. Respiratory diseases like pulmonary edema and skin diseases. Many pollutants also depress the immune system. making the body more prone to infection. Carbon monoxide from automobiles emission of can causes headache at lower levels and mental im- impairment and even death at higher level. Many pollutants also depress the immune system, making the body more prone to infection. Carbon monoxide from automobiles emission can causes headache at lower levels and mental impairment and even death at higher level. Carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin. This carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, carboxyhemoglobin, which reduce oxygen supply to the body, which reduce oxygen supply to the body. This causes dizziness, headache, heart attack, loss of vision, etc. These all are caused by carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide reacts with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which reduce oxygen supply to the body. This causes dizziness, headache, heart attack, loss of vision. These all are caused by CO level increases in atmosphere by automobiles. On large scale, air pollution leads to acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming. Global warming. On large scale, air pollution leads to air pollution leads to acid rain, ozone layer depletion, greenhouse effect. Acid rain. What is acid rain? Rainwater with pH value less than 5.6 is called acid rain. Less than 5.6 is called acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. Acid rain. What is ozone layer depletion? The decreases in concentration of ozone. The decrease in concentration of ozone present in stratosphere due to some chemicals is called ozone layer depletion. The decreases in concentration of ozone present in stratosphere due to some chemicals is called ozone layer depletion. Global warming. Global warming or greenhouse effect. The process of heating of earth. The process of heating of earth atmosphere due to presence of some gases in atmosphere is called greenhouse effect or global warming. Acid rain caused by small amount of acids mixed in rainwater is called acid. Acid rain causes by some oxides of sulfur, nitrogen increases in atmosphere is called acid rain. These oxides of sulfur and nitrogen react with water molecule to form sulfurous acid, nitric acid. Ozone layer depletion caused by uses of CFC gases, nitrogen oxides, chloride, methanes presence in atmosphere causes ozone layer depletion. Global warming, the presence of heating of earth atmosphere due to presence of some gases. Due to presence of some gases, like the gases causing greenhouse effect are called gases causing greenhouse effect are called greenhouse gases. The important greenhouse gases carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, nitrous oxide, CFCs, water vapor. Presence in air caused by greenhouse effect or global warming. Global warming. Greenhouse effect, ozone layer depletion, and acid rains caused by air pollution. Air pollution also affected by PAN, peroxyethyl nitrate, photochemical smog. Photochemical smog causes irritations to eyes, nose, throats, etc. Eyes, nose, etc. Particulates and aerosols causes cancer. Particulates and aerosols causes cancer, cough, burning eyes, chest pains. Cement causes silicosis. Cement causes silicosis. Coal powder causes black lung diseases. Lead causes thrombosis. Thrombosis. Hydrogen sulfide causes fatigue of sense of smell. Ozone causes burning of nose and watery eyes, coughing, and throat irritation. Hydrocarbons damage bone marrow and causes anemia. These are affected of air pollution. Oxides of sulfurs causes respiratory diseases like bronchitis, chronic asthma, and lungs cancer. Lungs cancer. Nitrogen oxides causes respiratory diseases like pulmonary edema and skin diseases. Skin diseases. Carbon monoxide react with hemoglobin to form carboxyhemoglobin, which reduce oxygen supply to the body. This causes dizziness, headache, heart attack, loss of vision. PAN, photochemical smog, ozone causes irritation, eyes, nose, throat, etc. Particulates and aerosols causes cancer, cough, burning eyes, chest pain. Cement causes silicosis. Cement causes Coal powder causes black lung diseases. Lead causes thrombosis. Hydrogen sulfide causes fatigue or sense of smell. Sense of smell. Ozone causes burning nose and watery eyes, coughing, and throat irritation. Throat irritation. Hydrocarbons damage bone marrow and causes anemia. General effects of air pollution, acid rain, ozone layer depletion, global warming. These are affected by increasing air pollution. Air pollution. Control methods of air pollution give greater emphasis on pollution prevention rather than control. Reduce the uses of fossil fuels and increase the uses of renewable energy. Use fuels with low sulfur and ash content. Reduce the use of fossil fuels and increase the use of renewable energy. Use fuels with low sulfur and ash control. And ash control. Improve the quality of vehicles. Fuels use unleaded petrol. Encourage people to use public transport, walk, or use a cycle as opposite to private vehicles. Ensure that houses, schools, restaurants, and playgrounds are not located on busy streets. Plants trees along busy streets as they remove particulates, carbon dioxide, and absorb noise. Improve the quality of vehicle spare. Use unleaded petrol. Encourage people to use public transportations, or walking, or use a bicycle as opposite to private vehicles. Ensure that houses, schools, restaurants, and playgrounds are not located on busy streets. Plant trees along busy streets as they remove particulates, carbon dioxide, and absorb noise. Control methods of air pollution. Reduction of contaminant from the sources. The quantity of pollutants can be reduced by maintain high temperature, adding fuels in small quantities, correct methods of firing or burning, etc. The quantity of pollutants can be reduced by maintain high temperature, adding fuel in small quantities, correct methods of firing or burning. Correct methods of firing or burning. Dilution of sources discharge. The concentration of pollutants from the sources Discharge can be reduced by using large chimney, electrostatic precipitator, chemical scrubber, catalytic converter. Use of alternative fuels. Alternate fuels. Use of non-conventional sources. Non-conventional sources like solar energy, hydroelectricity, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. instead of fossil fuels decreases pollution level to a great extent. Use of non-conventional sources like solar energy, hydroelectricity, wind energy, tidal energy, etc. instead of fossil fuels decreases pollution level to a great extent. Zoning of industries. Zoning of industries. Allocation of separate area of industries is called zoning of industries. Allocation of separate area of industries is called zoning of industries. A buffer zone is maintained between residential area and industrial area to reduce bad effects of pollution. Allocation of separate area for industries is called zoning of industries. A buffer zone is maintained between residential area and industrial area to reduce bad effects of pollution. Bad effects of pollution reduce from zoning area. Industries or waste disposal sites should be situated outside the city, preferable on the downwind of city. Catalytic conversion should be used to control emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Allocation of separate area per industrial. Separate area per industrials is called zoning area. A buffer zone is maintained between residential area and industrial area to reduce bad effect of pollution. Bad effects of pollution. Allocation of separate area for industries is called zoning of industries. A buffer zone is maintained between residential area and industrial area to reduce bad effects of pollution. Catalytic conversion should be used to control emission of carbon monoxide and hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons. Reforestation. Planting of more trees is helpful to decrease carbon dioxide level and control greenhouse effect. Planting of more trees is helpful to decrease carbon dioxide level and control greenhouse effect. Program like Society Forestry, Clean and Green, Vanamavatsam, etc. are helpful to reduce the pollution level. Reduce the pollution level. Planting of more trees is helpful to decrease carbon dioxide level and control greenhouse effect. Programs like Society Forestry, Clean and Green, Vanamavatsam, etc. are helpful to reduce the pollution level. Control overuses of pesticides and insecticides. Indiscriminate use of pesticides and insecticides causes pollution. Use of biopesticides and bioinsecticides may decreases the pollution level. And the indiscriminate use of pesticides and insecticides causes pollution. Use of biopesticides and bioinsecticides may decreases the pollution level. Mass awareness. The effect of pollution may be decreased to some extent by educate the people about bad effects of pollution. The effect of pollution may be decreased to some extent by educate the people about bad effects of pollution. These are control methods of air pollution. One is reduction of contaminant from the sources, dilution of sources, discharge, use of alternate fuels, joining of industries, reforestation, reforestation, control overuse of pesticides and insecticides, mass awareness. The effect of air pollution may be decreased to some extent by educate the people about bad effects of pollution. Which of the following is not a source of air pollution? Air pollution is not caused by below options: A. Automobile exhaust, burning of firewood, windmill, power plant. Power plant. Automobiles releases carbon monoxide, some metal particles into environment. It causes air pollution. Which are the following not causes air pollution? Automobiles are causes air pollution due to releases carbon monoxide and some metal particles into air causes of air pollution. Burning of firewood. Firewood burning, it releases smoke, hydrocarbons into air, it causes air pollution. Power plant. Power plant releases aerosols, smoke releases into air, it causes air pollution. Windmill. Windmill does not causes of air pollution. Windmill does not causes of air pollution. It is uses of air and generation of electricity from wind. Above, automobiles, burning of firewood, power plants, these all are causes air pollution. But windmill does not causes of air pollution. So answer C, windmill. Which of the following is not a sources of air pollution? That is windmill. The types of pollutions which is likely to affect Taj Mahal in Agra to greater extent is air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Noise pollution. The type of pollution which is likely to affect Taj Mahal in Agra to a greater extent is Taj Mahal affected by below pollution. Those are options: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Taj Mahal affected by some oxides of sulfur and nitrogen oxides react with marbles, it turns to yellow. Those gases releases nearest industries produce sulfur dioxide, nitrogen trioxide, nitrous oxides releases into air. Those components releases from industries into air. This air transport to such pollutants into Taj Mahal. It is react with oxides of sulfurs and nitrogens turns to yellow color. So Taj Mahal affected by air pollution. In air increases sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, nitrogen oxide into air. It causes and affected Taj Mahal. The phenomenon of marble cancer is due to marble cancer is due to soot particles, CFCs, fog, acid rain. The phenomenon of marble cancer is due to options are soot particles, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbons, fog, acid rain. These marble cancer caused by is causes by acid rain. Acid rain. What is acid rain? The presence of small amount of acids in rainwater is called acid rain. This acid rain uses human beings caused by marble cancer. Potable water is the water which obtained from river, obtained from lake, pure and fit for drinking, used only for washing clothes. Potable water. What is potable water? Which water used for drinking purpose is called potable water. Potable water is the water which is from obtained from river. Options are A. Obtained from a river. B. Obtained from a lake. C. Pure and fit for drinking purpose. D. Used only for washing clothes. Potable water is the water which is obtained from a river, obtained from a lake, pure and fit for drinking, used only for washing clothes. Which water used for a drinking purpose is called potable water. This potable water pure and fit for drinking purpose. So answer C. Pure and fit for drinking purpose. Frequently asked question about this topic. What are the effects of air pollution? What are the effects of air pollution? Air pollution affects on human beings, plants and animals. Human beings generally causes bronchitis, asthma, lungs cancer, skin diseases and also dizziness, headache, heart attack, loss of vision, eye irritation, nose, throat irritation, cough, burning eyes, chest pains, silicosis. These all are causes by human beings. Plants. Nitrogen oxide causes decreases growth in plant. Ozone causes necrosis and bleaching and decreases photosynthesis. Acid rain affect rate of photosynthesis. Animals. Hydrogen fluoride causes lameness. Lead causes aptitude and diarrhea. Ozone causes lung damage in animals. These are effects. How to control air pollution? Air pollution controlled by reduce of containment from sources, dilution of sources, uses of alternate fuels, tuning of industries, reforestation, control over uses of pesticides and insecticides, mass awareness. These are control methods. Explain about effects and control methods of air pollution. Thank you once again. Thank you very much.